Next Aerospace. We are so excited today. We are here at a community called the VUE, VUE, and it is literally steps from the beach in Satellite Beach. It's the perfect community for single-family homes, for a young family that can walk to the beach. They're going to have a pool. There's only going to be 72 lots here. There's about 3 different square foot options available. The HOA is very low. It is beautiful. You have to contact us now because the lots are going quick and they can select their own lot, correct?
Right
Most
now,
where
yes.
they can build their own pool.
Yes.
So there's so many options. It's going to be gated. And we would love to show it to you because I think it's ideal for single family, correct?
Can't find a better location. Give us
Yeah.
a call now.
Thanks.
This was just a short preview. If it's something you're interested in, give us a call. We have more details for you. Thanks.